Avicenna-Batumi Medical University was founded on the network of the country's leading hospitals, becoming the first university in the country with 5 multi-profile medical facilities for practical clinical training. In compliance with modern international and WFME standards, both basic and clinical teaching spaces have been equipped with the latest resources, functional mannequin simulators from the USA, and laboratory devices corresponding to the principles of bio and translational medicine. Each space of the 5 clinics is adapted to the educational process, and every staff member, from the clinical director to the security officer, knows that one of the top priorities is the university and its students. Batumi Referral Hospital. This clinic performed the first ever liver transplantation in Georgia. The operation was carried out by a surgeon from Medanta Clinic in India, together with Avicenna Professor Kakabir Kashabadze, demonstrating the internationalization of education and practical skills. Batumi Referral Hospital and Avicenna University, with 30 professors and 100 medical specialists, are ready to accept foreign students and train them to be top specialists. High-Tech Hospital Med Center, the largest medical facility in the region, covering all directions of medical practice, from a powerful diagnostic department and interventional oncology to kidney transplantation. All units of the clinic are equipped with teaching auditoriums and more than 10 operating rooms that can broadcast operations live. The University Clinic of Innovative Medicine, the only clinic in Western Georgia where positron emission tomography, recognized as the gold standard in oncological diagnostics, is available. Students work in a genetic research lab for oncological pathologies, which creates great opportunities for scientific research. Here, students can attend the planning process of radiation treatment and observe various innovative methods, including halcyon by Varian. The University Clinic of Innovative Medicine offers services from prevention to complete rehabilitation, a cornerstone of Avicenna's mission and vision. Strengthening primary health care and promoting global health is part of Avicenna's mission, implemented through the University Clinic, the largest family medicine center in the region, serving 70% of the population and providing opportunities to observe evidence-based practices for rare diseases. It is noteworthy that the clinical platform of Avicenna-Batumi Medical University, especially the elite ambulatory profile clinic Solemn, offers a wide range of diagnostics and unique equipment, including densitometry, the only machine of its kind in eastern Georgia. This gives students the opportunity to be interested and engaged in this appealing field. We are here for your strength and successful future, and we are here to learn for life.